Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with the one and only Bob Iacchino. So, we had this double, triggered, little pullback, then finally today gapping up to the target, gapping just above it, gapping up, running up to it, then pulling back once it hit the target slightly above it. So that is all complete. We are done with that. So, pulling back to the rotation zone and the prior level of resistance becoming support. Right now, the key area we'll be watching is right around 804.50. A close below that, then we'd start watching for a pullback to about 788. Then if we drop below that, we'll look at the daily chart now. On the run-up, we still have a slight gap here, by the way, so pay attention to that. The full gap fill would be down to the opening price here. Let me actually look at the daily chart first. It's easier. Actually, the closing price here would be, for the full gap fill, $799.17. So on a continued pullback, $799.17, your 8 EMA is just above that, right around 800. So that's going to be your first level key support based off the daily. Same targets the upside as last week, above 843.29. Might find some minor resistance right around 855, but then the major area we'll be watching is 863 to 869. Now, if we did drop below that 799, we'd start watching for about 780 and then all the way back down to 763 area. That's pretty much it, all that's going on. Not much else to report besides that's why we pay attention to the small little patterns like that double bottom. Hope people, even though we can't give it trading advice, are learning how to utilize a pattern such as that, because it's a nice entry and you don't want to push it beyond the target that we listed, because that is the full target. You can always then find another trade, but you don't want to turn one type of trade into another type of trade. That generally doesn't work long term. That's what we have for you on Tesla. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.